Hello everyone. Welcome to this library research session, Introduction to Databases. In this video, I will introduce you to library database, how they are organized, and how you can find them and get access. We're looking at Dallas College Library homepage. I'm going to move down the page. We're looking at these major library information. We're going to use the library database link here. So I click on the link. It will take us to this database's landing page. So you noticed this is an alphabetical listing of all 114 databases. So if we scroll down the page, you're going to see this is an alphabetical list of all the database titles. You do have to know the title to make use of this list. So you're going to say, suppose I'm given a topic to work on as my research topic, and which database I'm going to use. So that comes to our second topic, which is how these databases are organized. So let's look at these three blocks. These are how the databases are organized by subjects, database type, and by vendor, provider, or publisher. We will focus on the subjects because this is usually the way the student know the general subject area they're going to work on. So I'm going to click on this drop-down menu, and you noticed this is grouping by subject or discipline, alphabetically listed. For our topic, I'm going to introduce you to current issues and controversies. You can always come back to try other subject area. So when I click on it, it gave us 12 recommendations. These are all the databases very good for current affair and controversy topics. We probably don't have time to talk all of them, but we are going to talk about a few really good ones like source researcher, opposing viewpoints, CQ researchers is always very good. Academic Search Complete is the most comprehensive one, and we're probably not going to require you to use it, but you're welcome to browse and try some research. So that is the database by subject. So database by type. Oh, before we go there, let me tell you, every time you need to do another subject area, you need to clear the filter because we want to see all 114 database being included. So database type. So these are all type of database. For language learning, I would recommend you to try test preps, and that's an interesting type of database you can try, and then ebook collections. Okay, so nowadays we can only have access to digital materials, so ebook collections can be useful. And the last category I will just showing you, this is actually vendors and providers. Okay, you're welcome to try, but they're really not our major concern. And last grouping I'm going to mention is this one on the right hand side, the right column. These are some popular titles. Okay, but they do include the titles we're going to talk about: Gale Virtual Reference Library, Opposing Viewpoints. So the oh, and also the last one is the search box. This is really to search for the title of the database, not your topic. Okay, so you can try that too. Oh, I can actually quickly show you one. Um, Suppose that we have, let's try the alphabetical listing first. Um, we have a really useful book called a Handbook of Texas. So it starts with H, so I can click on here and we find that Handbook of Texas here, right? So suppose we can also search this, and I don't even need to type all of them, and it does actually search and find us that title. So that's the search function of the title of the database. So that is basically all in this video I'm going to cover. Please go on to check other videos to recap video for some of the specific databases you're going to use for your research. Thank you for your attention. I hope this is helpful. Good luck for your research.